Guys, this is Busy Man on your busy ride. What we do basically is we buy cars, we sell cars, and we invest into cars. Behind me here is a Nissan Pathfinder. You will not believe the offer I have for you. This is a 7-seater 2007 Nissan Pathfinder, powered by a 4-cylinder 1.8 diesel engine. You couldn't believe it, huh? Yes, that is what this car has to offer to you. We are going on a test drive to see what this car has to offer.
I need to know the truth. Why are you playing my mind?
Let's go. This is a stick, a manual engine, and I love sticks.
Please tell me and let me go. Mr. Man, if you think you don't love me, please tell me and let me go. Mr. Man, if you think you don't love me, please tell me and let me go. Mr. Man, if you think you don't love me, please tell me and let me go. Would have enjoyed telling my love story with a famous once upon a time, but yet it isn't one. Hey, that the feeling is beautiful from the famous love couples in town. But oops, love brought me pain.
It is going for a cool 38,000 Ghana cedis. Unbelievable, right? Yes, 38,000 Ghana cedis. If you cannot afford this money cash, Auto Credit Africa has a payment plan for you.
Everybody's looking for that song.
Why dream it when you can own it? In today's life, driving a personal car is no more luxury but a necessity. Wondering how to own your dream vehicle at a flexible payment term with no deposit? Look no further. Auto Credit Africa is here. Auto Credit Africa is here to offer all brand new vehicles for a 2 to 5 years payment term to all salary workers of corporate institutes, schools, universities, hospitals, and all staffs under the Controller and Accountant General payroll. Companies in need of official vehicles can also contact Auto Credit Africa for a similar arrangement. Auto Credit Africa. Don't just dream it. Own it.
Every morning.
Guys, you saw what this car has to offer. If you like what we do, put a comment in the comment section and share. Kindly do not forget to subscribe so that any car we put on sale will hit your screens first. Thank you.
Oh, I still don't see.